Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you on how to fix action blocked on Instagram on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So there are two steps I can suggest on fixing this issue. First is to wait 2 or 3 days so that you may be allowed to perform that action once again. And then for the second step, you can just simply go to Instagram, click on your profile, click on the three lines on the upper right, select Settings, select Help, and select Report a Problem. Afterwards, click on Something Isn't Working. In this section, you are going to type your problem or your issue with regards to the action block on Instagram. So that's it. What you're going to do is to wait at least 24 hours or until Instagram has replied with regards to your concern. After doing one or both of the steps I've given to you, your problem now should be fixed. If not, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center in your location. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.